Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I really didn't make any plan to do this video, but I was really excited. As you already know, I've got a new phone which I'm going to open for you guys, like unboxing kind of video. I was really excited and I want you guys to join along with me. I had ordered this phone like week ago maybe, because it was weekend, so it took a while to come in. But I was sleeping this morning and then the delivery guy knocked on my door, so I got this then. Yeah, I was excited. I've already opened this little cover they had sent me in, and look what I can see. Ooh. Oh, it's so beautiful. And did I forget to tell it's in red? Oh my god. This is iPhone 8 Plus. And I decided to go for red because why not? Like, I've been having iPhone for like ages and it's always been like white or rose gold, which I'm kind of fed up with now, and I decided to go both this week, this time. So if you guys are ready, I should do unboxing. It looks like this here, and you've got this plastic, but I think you have to pull. Yeah. Oh my god. I don't really want to open it. It looks so nice. And there we go. How to do it this. Okay. Right. What you can see is a little cover that comes up. Oh, I can see. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my god. Didn't expect that. Okay. I hope it's fine. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, it's so red. Oh, it's very red. Oh, I like it. And the Apple logo, which makes it even more nice. And the front. Oh, it's shiny. Oh, yes. And they have got a leaflet, like, okay. Oh, maybe it's about to tell what the phone is about and how you function them. Yeah, something like that. And we've got a regular charger and port. Okay. Okay, what is this? Oh, so this is kind of new to me. So this phone doesn't have a port to go for, you know, the earplugs. So they have this little cable. I don't know if you can see it. You put this cable where the charging plug goes, and this one is for the hearing, the sound, what you call, I don't know. Yeah, and there's the earphone. Oh, it feels kind of heavy, which I don't really prefer. I like light because I tend to drop everything, and I don't want to drop this. Oh, okay, right. Oh, I can see this in my hand. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know how it looks in the camera. It's just shiny, isn't it? Oh, I should take this out as well. But I don't want to. Oh, okay. Look at this. Fresh. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. It's so shiny and so reflective. Look, you can actually see the reflection in it. Everything. Okay. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. And I'm so excited. Um, yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed my short video. This was not really planned. I just wanted to share my excitement and wanted to do just a unboxing video. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye.